Hi everyone, thank you for being here. I hope this video finds you well. Today we're going to do a little bit of hair care. I got out of the shower. The only thing I've done so far was just to apply some product. So this is what I use for oil. This is by Percy and Reed. In addition, I use this Function of Beauty, that's my name, leave-in product, which is also heat protectant, and it addresses specific concerns I have in my hair, which hydration is basically the key word here, as well as anti-frizz. Just applied these to my hair, and now we're going to use this. We all know who this is, right? I got the purple one because, you know, I like purple. Use the dryer for a little bit to basically dry the hair and near the roots, and then I just try to get rid of some of the frizz with the brush. And finally, I use these curling barrels in the top layers of my hair. It gives it a bit of a movement that I enjoy. See why there's frizz? I'm not very careful. Loosen the utensil, the accessory, and then you grab your next one and you just click it on and you're ready to go. I use this as a brush basically. I'm a little lazy. I don't have time or patience to do my hair for a long time. So usually before the Dyson, I just leave it like this and go. But with the Dyson, there's this little add-on that the others don't have. Yes. This is the perfect tool for lazy people. It just wraps your hair for you and then heats it, makes a curl, and there you go. You're done. Obviously this curl is too tight, but then you just brush it off and it drops. Let's switch the barrel. Another one. Now these look very similar, but as you can see there's an arrow and the other one points in the opposite direction. So you know which one to use on each side of your hair, of your head. I like to think about life while I'm waiting and counting the seconds, you know. Yes, I usually do I keep the curling barrel on hot on the hot setting for about 20 seconds. And then I do a cool shot, which is pulling this button up. It gives it a cool hair shot, a cool air shot for like 10 to 15 seconds. And there you have it. Now you have a crazy head full of curls, and you just brush through. There. I like it. I really like this too. There you go. The hair is done. There's a couple of curls in the back as well that need addressing. So yeah, this is it. Pretty quick and very practical, and it is a bit on the pricey side, but it's worth every cent. At least that's what I think. In my opinion, it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.